Welcome back to IK Car Reviews. Today, we're looking at something that honestly feels more like a glimpse into the future than just another vehicle.
Think you've seen every twist a luxury SUV can offer? Think again. The all-new 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome isn't just a car, it's a rolling palace on wheels, blending the comfort of a high-end RV with the power and prestige of America's most iconic SUV. From jaw-dropping interiors to tech features that feel like science fiction, this isn't your typical Escalade. But does it truly live up to the hype, or is it all style over substance? Stick around, because we're diving deep into every corner, every feature, and every performance stat, and you won't believe what we found.
When it comes to American luxury, few names carry the weight and prestige of Cadillac. And now the 2026 Escalade Motorhome takes that reputation to an entirely new level. Cadillac isn't just trying to make a bigger SUV, they're reimagining what a luxury vehicle can be, combining the spacious comfort of a high-end motorhome with the commanding presence of an Escalade. Designed for drivers who crave style, technology, and convenience all in one ride, this vehicle targets families, road trippers, and anyone who refuses to compromise on comfort. Over the next several minutes, we'll explore every inch of this unique beast, from its bold exterior to the high-tech interior, performance surprises, and yes, even the quirks you need to know before considering a purchase. Stay tuned, because some of the features we're about to uncover might just redefine what you expect from a luxury SUV.
Stepping closer to the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome, it's impossible not to be impressed by its sheer presence. The exterior blends Cadillac's signature bold grille and sharp lines with hints of a classic motorhome silhouette, making it instantly recognizable, yet undeniably unique. From the outside, it promises power, and once you slide into the cabin, that promise transforms into reality. Inside, you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a living room than a vehicle. Plush leather seats stretch across multiple zones, offering heating, cooling, and even massage functions, while the panoramic roof floods the space with natural light, making every road trip feel like a first-class flight. Multiple high-definition touchscreens control infotainment, climate, and navigation, all while seamlessly integrating with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system that turns even a simple playlist into a concert experience. Under the hood, the Escalade Motorhome doesn't just rely on looks. The 6.2-liter V8 packs a solid 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, delivering smooth yet commanding acceleration even when fully loaded. Handling a vehicle of this size is no small feat, but adaptive air suspension and precision steering ensure that turns feel controlled and bumps are absorbed with a luxury-grade smoothness. And for those concerned about fuel or range, Cadillac's engineering tweaks promise efficiency that rivals some of the largest SUVs in its class, though more on that in the full test drive reveal coming up. Tech and safety aren't just checkboxes here, they're a major part of the experience. The Escalade Motorhome features advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking a breeze for a vehicle of this magnitude. Yet even with all these features, Cadillac has managed to keep the cabin intuitive, avoiding the frustration of overly complex menus or buttons buried behind layers of screens. But the story doesn't end there. The clever storage solutions, retractable tables, and even optional kitchenettes make this vehicle far more than just a car. It's a mobile lifestyle. You can envision a weekend getaway, the family comfortably settled, gadgets plugged in, coffee in hand, cruising along scenic highways without a worry. Yet, as impressive as it all is, there are trade-offs. Maneuvering in tight city streets can be tricky, and parking may require some strategic planning, especially for those used to traditional SUVs. And the price? Well, let's just say that the full breakdown might make some head spin, a detail we'll uncover in just a bit. So while we're still warming up, keep your eyes peeled for the upcoming test drive insights, where we'll push this hybrid of SUV and motorhome to see if it truly delivers on Cadillac's bold promises. Spoiler, there are a few surprises that even seasoned luxury car enthusiasts didn't see coming. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the real-world test of the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome. Sliding behind the wheel, the sheer weight of this vehicle is immediately noticeable. But as soon as you press the accelerator, all doubts vanish. That 6.2-liter V8 doesn't just move the Escalade, it launches it with a smooth, commanding surge that feels almost effortless for something of this size. Cornering is surprisingly precise thanks to the adaptive air suspension, keeping the ride composed even when tackling tight turns or uneven roads. On the highway, the Escalade Motorhome shines. Acceleration merges seamlessly with quiet cabin isolation, allowing you to enjoy the premium sound system without intrusion from wind or road noise. The tech suite, from adaptive cruise control to lane assist, works like a well-trained co-pilot, reducing stress on longer journeys and letting the driver focus on the thrill of the drive. Yet it's in the unexpected moments that Cadillac truly impresses. The nimble handling in parking lots, the intuitive touchscreen interface, and even the way the cabin feels surprisingly agile despite its grandiose proportions. However, no vehicle is perfect. In tighter urban environments, maneuvering still demands patience, and fuel consumption, while improved over previous models, remains a consideration for long trips. But here's the kicker. The blend of power, luxury, and usability is unlike anything else on the road today. Few vehicles combine motorhome practicality with SUV dominance this seamlessly. By the time we reach the end of this drive, one thing is crystal clear. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome isn't just a novelty, it's a bold statement in luxury mobility. But how does it rank against rivals in terms of value, features, and daily usability? That's coming up next, where we break down the highs, the lows, and the ultimate verdict you've been waiting for. So, after taking the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome through its paces, what's the final verdict? Simply put, it's a bold redefinition of what a luxury vehicle can be. The combination of a commanding V8, plush interior, cutting-edge tech, and motorhome practicality makes it a standout in its class. Its strengths lie in comfort, versatility, and sheer presence, perfect for families, road trippers, or anyone who refuses to compromise on style and convenience. On the flip side, maneuvering in tight city streets can be challenging, and its price point isn't for the faint of heart. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a vehicle of this size, but it won't rival smaller SUVs. Ultimately, if you're looking for a vehicle that blends prestige, performance, and practical luxury, the Escalade Motorhome delivers, but only if you're ready for the scale, both literally and financially. In the broader US market, this vehicle signals a trend. Luxury SUVs aren't just about status anymore, they're about creating a complete lifestyle experience. Cadillac has shown that consumers want versatility without sacrificing sophistication, and this launch will likely inspire other brands to rethink how SUVs can serve as both transport and a home away from home. So, is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade Motorhome just a novelty or a glimpse into the future of American luxury? The answer is clear, it's both. And now, we want to hear from you. Would you park one in your driveway? Or is this level of extravagance over the top? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed the tour, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Your next dream car might just be a click away.